Hi friends, welcome to Telangana Properties Hub. Today we have come to Chintapalli to see our new project. So let us see what are the special highlights and special thing about this project. So our project is very close to Chintapalli, and we all know that Chintapalli has got a very famous Sai Baba temple, Sri Sai Sannidhi, which we call it as. So this project is close to this temple, so let us see how this project is. And this is a DTCP approved project, and let us see how it is. So this is the temple, and we have got Goshala also, very well maintained Goshala. And let us have a little glance on this temple before we get into the project details. So this is how the temple looks, very beautiful. So it's a very famous temple, we all know. And you can just have a look at this temple, very pleasant environment, very close to Nagarjun Sagar highway. So this is how the whole temple looks, very beautiful and pleasant. So it's like almost, it looks like Shirdi, we can say. So this is how it is. Let us now just get into our project now. So our project is very close to this temple, and as I have said, it is DTCP approved project, and the price per square yard is just 5,000 rupees. And this is how it is. And let us see some pics of this temple. This is the statue of Sai Baba. It looks very real, very beautifully sculpted. So you can just have a look at those, some of the idols of Baba. It seems to be like real Baba sitting over there. So this is this very special temple. So this is how the temple is, and our project is luckily very close to this temple. So since this is such a famous temple, we are very fortunate to have a project close to this temple, because in future this temple, as this temple is very famous, so you can just expect the good returns of the project, which is very close to this Baba temple. So let us get into the location highlights. So this is our project, today's project. And coming to the location highlights, we have only 3 minutes, we have got 3 minutes drive to Amaravati Express. And the price here is very reasonable price. We have got just 5,000 rupees per square yard, and 8 minutes drive from Lakshmi Narasimha Swami temple, and only 10 minutes drive from Regional Ring Road, and just a 20 minutes drive from Pharma City, Amazon Data Center, Aerospace, and very close to BDL, MSG Octopus, just 30 to 40 minutes to BDL and MSG and Octopus. And within 1 hour we can reach to Outer Ring Road. So these were some of the highlights. And the good thing about this project is it's a gated community project, and we have got cottages also, and blacktop roads. So just have a look at this project. This is the new project, I can say. And this is how it looks. It's a well developed project, well planned project. And the special thing about this project is about the sandalwood trees. So they have planted sandalwood trees with the help of the agriculture departments, and it's maintained by them only. So it's a very beautiful project with all the cottages and gated community. And you can just have a look at the project. And we have got drainage system, water tank facility, electricity, water pipelines, children's park, and as I've already said, sandalwood plantation maintained by the agricultural department. So this were the project highlights. So you can just see how this project looks. And not only these things, but we have also got swimming pool, guest house, clubhouse, gym, site office, and it's a clear title project with spot registration, with 24/7 security with camera, and we have got a good avenue plantation also. And as I have said before, we have got good sandalwood plantation trees, so you can also expect a very good amazing returns on this. So this is about the whole new project near Chintapalli. So it's a very intelligent move, I can say, to have a purchase a plot here. So you can just be a little more conscious, to think one more time to take a piece of land here, because it's a developing place. So you can actually think to buy, because it's very close to this famous temple, Baba temple. So no doubt in that about the site. You can have a good returns on this also if you purchase a land here. So as I have said before, only it's only 5,000 rupees per square yard. It's a very cheap deal with good returns in future. So this is the whole project, very beautiful, with cottages. So we have got really beautiful cottages, and children's play area is also there, children's parks, children's play area. Looks very beautiful with lot of greenery. So friends, this was all about the today's project. Hope you all have enjoyed it, and please do call us on the below given number for more details. Please do like, share and subscribe to our videos. Thank you so much for sparing your time for us today. Hope you all have enjoyed our video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.